Hello everyone, welcome to the first section of this Photoshop CC tutorial course. So in the first section, we gonna take a look at the major tools listed here. Actually, I already did a brief course about the Photoshop tools. So if you want to learn every single tool, that we have more than 60 plus tools available here. If you want to learn everything, you can join that particular course. But actually, we don't need to know about every single thing. For a beginner, all of the tools are not needed, especially like artboard tools. Such things are not needed, but these are the tools are really helpful, and in some occasions we don't need to make any effects. We can even do along with this kind of tools. If you are just starting to learn Adobe Photoshop, understanding the capabilities of each tool will streamline your creative projects. Photoshop version CC, that's Photoshop CC versions, offers a lot of improvements and new features from previous iterations, delivering more efficiencies and a wide array of options to choose from. So the very first one here is the Move tool. You can just click and hold to see all the tools listed in the first one. That's the first one is Move tool, or the shortcut is V. You can also access it by typing V. The Move tool does just what it sounds like. It allows you to move items in your image. If you are created a selection, for example, this is the image and this is the white color background. Here in the layers panel, you can see that the image and the background. So if you are created a mask or selection within your image, you can use the Move tool to relocate it within the frame. If you don't have a selection, the Move tool will move the entire layer. So images in formats like JPEG and PNG are flattened images, which means the entire image rests inside a local layer called background. In layered images, you can use the Move tool to move just about anything. Click on the portion of the image you want to move and put it in your desired location. In Photoshop CC 2017, actually the Move tool will automatically determine which layer that item is on when you click on it. Okay, we talked about the first tool, that's the Move tool. This is one of the most used tool. Never forget the shortcode, that's V. Type on keyboard V to select that. Then the next tool or the category is rectangular marquee tools. That's marquee tools. That's rectangular, elliptical. Then we have two other. With the rectangular marquee tool or elliptical marquee tool selected, click and drag on your image to create your selection. The rectangular marquee tool will create a rectangular selection. The elliptical marquee tool will create an elliptical selection. Hold down the Shift key to create a perfect square or circle. Release the mouse before you release the Shift key to keep this exact. And also I'm going to select the rectangular marquee tool, then press and hold Shift and Alt to maximize the size from the center. So look at that. So once you are created the selection, you can adjust the selection by moving it or filling with color or deleting it. So if you are selected, you can just move like this. Then you can fill any color inside it. Just use the paint bucket tool, then you can fill any color inside it. So we are winding up the first section of tools. We will complete all the tools in the upcoming videos. Thank you.